10 cents 1998, coin from Australia, detailed information. 10 cents 1998, coin from Australia. Coin 10 cents 1998. The Australian 10-cent coin was first introduced with decimalisation on February 14, 1966 when it replaced the pre-decimal Australian shilling. The original reverse design by Stuart Devlin has not been changed since its introduction. After the withdrawal of the 1 cent and 2 cents denominations from circulation in February 1992, the 10-cent coin is now the second smallest circulating coin of the Australian dollar, after the 5 cents piece. Coins issued in 1998 have now been in circulation for 26 years. Mint Royal Australian Mint Mark No Mint Mark Total Mintage 48,021,000, 48.0 million, Rarity, C, Common, Obverse. The obverse of the coin shows the crowned bust of Queen Elizabeth II, facing right, her effigy known as the Third Portrait. The Queen is wearing the royal diadem which she wears on her way to and from the state opening of Parliament, a pearl necklace and earrings. Use in tiny letters on the neck truncation, the designer's initials RDM, for Raphael David Maclouf. Around. The monarch's legend and the date of issue, Elizabeth II Australia 1998. Obverse inscription Elizabeth II Australia 1998 reverse. The reverse of the coin depicts a lyrebird seen facing left, with its tail plumes expanded forward over its head. The denomination numeral 10 cents is above the head of the bird. The artist's initials SD, for Stuart Devlin, are in very tiny letters below, in the right field beside its foot.